If you've ever wondered which dash cam could really give you the edge in terms of safety, usability, and recording quality, this guide is for you. After extensive testing and evaluation, we've rounded up the top 5 dash cams on the market, each bringing its own unique benefits. Whether you're looking for sleek design, sharp visuals, or ultimate security features, these options won't let you down, so don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each one. Number 5. Miofive S1 Dash Cam. Equipped with both front and rear 4K cameras, the Miofive S1 Dash Cam delivers ultra-high-definition recording to capture every detail on the road. Its dual 8-megapixel sensors ensure crisp, clear footage, while a built-in polarizer optimizes exposure for balanced, vivid images in various lighting conditions. This means you get sharp visuals day or night, whether it's a bustling highway or a dimly lit street. The 3.0-inch IPS screen provides an easy way to preview recordings, while the included 64GB SD card offers ample storage right out of the box. Connectivity is a breeze with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, making it simple to control the dash cam through the Miofive app on your smartphone. Instantly access and manage your footage, download videos, and adjust settings without the hassle of removing the SD card. The advanced night vision technology, featuring an f1.8 aperture on the front and f2.0 on the rear camera, ensures you have clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The wide-angle lenses, 140 degrees front, 112 degrees rear, provide a comprehensive view, reducing blind spots and enhancing overall safety. Reliability is at the core of the Miofive S1's design. Using a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, the dashcam offers improved heat resistance and a longer lifespan, making it ideal for use in extreme temperatures. Built-in GPS tracks your location and speed, adding valuable context to your recordings, while the customizable 24-hour parking mode gives you peace of mind when your vehicle is unattended. With features like collision detection and voice alerts, this dashcam offers a robust set of tools to keep you protected on the road. Number 4. Viofo A229 Pro. Next on our list is the Viofo A229 Pro, known for its crystal clear 4K video during the day and, most impressively, at night. This dash cam is equipped with dual Sony Starvis 2 image sensors, offering 4K resolution on the front camera and 2K for the rear. With this setup, it's easy to capture essential details, like license plates and road signs, even in low-light conditions. The camera's HDR technology further enhances night vision, making it an excellent choice for nighttime drivers. Parking mode is where the Viofo A229 Pro shines, offering 3 modes that allow the camera to start recording as soon as it detects movement. This feature, combined with voice control, enables you to lock essential footage, access settings, and turn the camera on or off without ever needing to take your eyes off the road. This voice command system is highly intuitive and minimizes distractions while driving, allowing you to stay focused on safety. For those who travel frequently or live in areas with limited internet access, the advanced GPS logger in this camera is a plus. It supports multiple satellite positioning systems, including GPS, Beidou, and GLONASS, ensuring you always have accurate location tracking. With this dash cam, you're not only investing in top-notch recording quality, but also an advanced navigation aid that enhances the overall driving experience. The Viofo A229 Pro also supports an optional hardwire kit, which allows you to access a time-lapse recording feature. This mode condenses hours of footage into short, manageable clips, making it perfect for capturing long road trips or monitoring parking activity without draining your memory card. Its heat-resistant design ensures stable performance in extreme temperatures, making it suitable for various climates. The camera's discreet design blends well with your vehicle's interior, minimizing visibility from outside the car. Coupled with advanced features like voice control and a supercapacitor instead of a battery, the A229 Pro is built for long-lasting reliability and minimal maintenance. Number 3. Rove R24K Dash Cam. If high-quality visuals and ease of use are your priorities, the Rove R24K might just be the dash cam for you. This compact device records in Ultra HD 4K, providing incredibly clear footage even at night thanks to its super night vision technology. The camera uses a 6-glass lens and a wide f1.5 aperture to enhance low-light visibility, helping capture vital details in challenging lighting conditions. This feature makes it one of the best options for night driving. The Rove R24K goes beyond just recording, offering a built-in GPS that logs your driving location and speed. This feature can be incredibly useful in case of an accident, giving you accurate records of the incident. The Wi-Fi functionality also allows you to manage recordings directly from your phone, making it easy to access and share footage without any hassle. Plus, it supports a range of storage options up to 512 gigabytes, so you can keep more recordings without worrying about running out of space. What makes the Rove R24K especially user-friendly is its comprehensive app, which lets you view your videos, track routes, and manage settings all in one place. It's a feature-packed dash cam that doesn't compromise on ease of use, making it ideal for those who want high-end functionality without a steep learning curve. Another noteworthy feature of the Rove R24K is its support for WDR, wide dynamic range technology, which further enhances image clarity by balancing exposure in highly contrasted lighting situations, such as when entering or exiting a tunnel. The Rove also has a time-lapse function, which can be invaluable for those who want to condense long drives into short clips. Additionally, its loop recording function ensures you won't miss any important footage, as older files are automatically overwritten when the memory card reaches capacity. Its user-friendly design and exceptional recording capabilities make the Rove R24K ideal for capturing road journeys, no matter the time of day. Number 2, Biuone Dash Cam. The Biuone 1080p Dash Cam is an affordable and practical option, ideal for drivers looking for basic, reliable features. This model includes both front and rear cameras, ensuring you have full coverage of your car. The front-facing camera records in 1080p HD, while the reverse camera adds an additional layer of security, especially useful in crowded parking lots. With loop recording and motion detection, the Biuone Dash Cam can seamlessly capture every important moment without needing frequent intervention. A standout feature of the Biuone Dash Cam is its wide-angle coverage, offering a 170 degrees field of vision on the front and 140 degrees on the rear. This setup reduces blind spots and ensures that you're capturing as much of the road as possible. Additionally, it's designed for easy installation with a plug-and-play setup that even beginners can handle without difficulty. The Biuone also comes with a G-sensor function that automatically locks recordings in case of a collision, ensuring important footage is protected. This added layer of security makes it a practical option for anyone seeking a no-nonsense, reliable dash cam that covers the basics without breaking the bank. The Biuone Dash Cam is equipped with an LED fill light that significantly improves recording quality in low-light conditions, making it suitable for night driving without sacrificing detail. Its compact design doesn't obstruct the driver's view, ensuring safety while maintaining a low profile inside the vehicle. The Biuone also includes a convenient parking line feature that provides real-time guidance when reversing, adding an extra layer of functionality for parking in tight spaces. As a straightforward, no-frills dash cam, the Biuone offers dependable performance with user-friendly features that make it a great starter option. Number 1, Redtiger F7N. Finally, we have the Redtiger 4K Dash Cam, which offers exceptional value as a front and back camera combo. Its front-facing camera records in Ultra HD 4K, capturing all the details you need, from road signs to license plates, with unmatched clarity. The rear camera adds 1080p recording, giving you a comprehensive view that's perfect for extra peace of mind when you're on the road. This setup ensures that you're covered from all angles, which can be especially useful for highway driving or urban settings with heavy traffic. The Redtiger's built-in GPS and Wi-Fi features offer added convenience, enabling you to view your driving route and track data in real time. This is incredibly useful for frequent travelers, as you can access this information directly on your phone. The GPS integration also helps capture precise speed and location details, which can be critical evidence in case of incidents. Additionally, the parking monitor function continues to capture footage even when your car is off, so you're protected even when parked. With advanced night vision, the Redtiger Dash Cam doesn't compromise on visibility, delivering high-quality footage in both bright and dim conditions. This model provides excellent value, combining advanced features with an affordable price point, making it a top choice for drivers who want quality and reliability without a hefty price tag. The Redtiger 4K Dash Cam further enhances nighttime recording with its large aperture and image sensor, optimizing light intake to capture essential details even in low-light environments. The device also includes a speed and red light camera warning system that can alert drivers of traffic enforcement cameras ahead, adding an extra layer of road awareness. This dash cam supports SD cards up to 256 gigabytes, providing ample storage for extended trips. Combined with its stealthy design and easy installation, the Redtiger 4K Dash Cam is a fantastic choice for drivers looking for a high-quality, all-around recording system with minimal setup hassle. Each of these dash cams offers a unique blend of features, from high-resolution recording to user-friendly functionality, making them some of the best options on the market today. Whether you're looking for something high-tech or something simple yet effective, there's a dash cam here that suits your needs. Be sure to check out the links below for further details and choose the one that's right for you.